Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, and today I'm gonna show you my new pet named Skylar. She's trained and she's potty trained, and she knows how to use the litter box. Actually, show them. It's right there. Actually, she was free, and I didn't know. I said why, and my mom went, and she looks cute. And she's black and white. She's a black cat and white cat. And actually, I had to get one because I thought what is my cousin? My cousin actually saw some other ones, and I didn't know which one to pick, and I thought that the other ones are playful, but this one's playful. And she likes this rainbow sword. You can use it. And we have other stuff. No, I'm not putting it. And she has this bow. So let me take it off because it might hurt her fur. She's playing with my cousin right now because it came. The water. So I know you guys can see the toys over there. Yeah, but I better find the thing that's something that you have. In the end, you have to find you have to find the key. You have to find the key.
Give me the phone.
It's very painful, and she likes, but she kind of goes sad. But you guys better find the key before you guys better watch my other videos that I have like a new toy. Yeah. Come here. And she kind of likes this rainbow toy. She used to me. I don't know. Okay, look at it. Purple line. This is the end of the video. I hope you find this key. Was it here, here, or here? So, bye.